This is a teardown of a Ooma office base station. Part number 110-0117-401. Or, looks like there's a model number, really small, tiny text. TELOB S103. Interesting. Don't know what it does. It wasn't worth anything, so it gets recycled. I predict under these really stubborn feet, there's some screws. Nope. Let's try the front feet. Nope. It's weird that they would do recessed feet like that on a case if there's no screws. I would think it'd be easier to do it surface mount. Alright, well, we're in for a penny and for a pound. We're just gonna take all the... No. Alright, I'm done. I give up. It gives the floor treatment. Floor treatment's the way to go. Ooh, it bounces like one. It bounces really nice. One more time. Wow, that's a bouncy. So nice. Oh, there we go. It exploded. Well, here's what's left of the housing. It's basically all snapped together. Oh? Oh, no. Alright. The board is mounted on a little plastic stub. Just kind of friction fit there. Ooh, fancy. Fancy looking processor there. Mind Speed Concerto M86200G-12. And it's ARM based. Got some Nanya memory there. I wonder if it's new enough to be DDR3. Little can here protecting something. See if I can pop that off. I don't have the right tools on hand. I do not have anything flat and pokey. And don't want to stab myself doing that. Alright, I gotta go with the right tool before I end up stabbing myself with a screwdriver trying to get that can off. Well, I thought a screwdriver would do the job, but no, I needed the side gutters. We're gonna make sharp hazards here. Totally cut myself unintentionally. Under that can, we got a DSP chip. DSP group. Focus. Try zooming in. Maybe my hands are too shaky. Whoa, I think that's a little too much zoom. Yeah, I can't focus that much. That's unfortunate, because I'm feeling lazy. I don't want to have to take photos of it with the Epson. Hopefully that's readable. And we also have a little Toshiba flash chip there. And it looks like this had the capability for either wireless or cellular connectivity. Although I guess if it's cellular, that means there'd be somewhere for a SIM card. I don't see anywhere they could have put a SIM card on this PCB design. So maybe it was wireless connectivity. Or if they were really fancy, some sort of MSATA, MiniSATA, whatever SSD. Teeny tiny little chips there for presumably the network ports. Oh, where'd they go? SMSC 8700C-AEZG. What did the other port do? USB phone. Alright, so this has a modem here in this corner. Very compact components. Usually the transformers are a lot bigger than that. Seems like miniaturization was a big focus on this. But yeah, don't really know or care what it did. I think it might have been some sort of home automation thing. But bottom's just usual passives. Bunch of capacitors under the CPU. So yeah, kind of neat. No clue what this stuff under the can was for, but apparently it was very important to keep it shielded. So hopefully that was interesting, and thanks for watching.